This is a demonstration for digital pre-distortion on the vProtean SDR using the ADR-V 9002 RF transceiver. On the vProtean evaluation menu, there are many options given to the user. Selection 8 is set aside for digital pre-distortion. Navigating to this menu, we find there are 3 settings available to the user. Toggling the DPD actuator, setting the TX1 waveform, and setting the tap polynomial terms. Now we will run through a demonstration of digital pre-distortion on the vProtean using an LTE waveform. Firstly, we will navigate to selection 1, which is TX1 RX1 settings. Selecting 1 again, we will change our LO to 900 MHz. To change our waveform, we will navigate to selection 3, then 5, onto the second waveform, which is an LTE waveform set for crest factor reduction on the provided SD card. Selection 4, we will change our digital attenuation to 5 dB. Selection 5, we will change our front end attenuation to 8 dB. At this point, we will transmit a waveform without DPD enabled. Therefore, we will disable the DPD actuator. Heading back to the TX1 RX1 menu, we will select 2 to transmit this waveform. As you can see on the spectrum analyzer, there is spectral regrowth on the adjacent channel. We will max hold, stop the updating on this waveform, and enter a new trace. Back on the vProtean menu, we will disable TX1. Selecting 8 will bring us to the DPD menu. There, we will toggle the DPD actuator to enable DPD this time. Selecting 3, we will enter the predetermined tap values. We will select 2 to start transmitting again. Now, as you can see on the spectrum analyzer, second trace has greatly improved in terms of spectral regrowth. Markers 1 and 2 display the levels for each trace. Marker 1 being the LTE waveform without DPD, marker 2 being the waveform with DPD enabled. Heading back to the menu, we will disable TX1. For more information, please visit vantian.com.